Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This is Abid Garden. Today we are growing fern plant. Fern is a beautiful tropical plant. There is no plant lush green like fern. Ferns are one of the oldest plants dating back to prehistoric times, about 360 million years ago. That period is also called the age of ferns. A large part of planet at that time was warm and tropical, and with ferns overtaking the entire landscape. They have been here before the dinosaurs and catastrophes that have wiped out species from the planet. Meanwhile, we are preparing soil for the fern plant. This is sillet dragged out from the canals, that is sand mixed with the soil. First cover the whole of the pot, that is for the seepage of overwater. Then mix the sillet soil with cow dung. Well mix it and put it in the pot, fill it in the pot to grow the fern plants. Ferns have thousands of varieties. Their size varies from 2 to 3 millimeters to 10 to 25 meters tall. They are essentially tropical plants and lovers of humidity and warmth. With little care, a variety of them can be grown in indoor gardens. Some common but stunning varieties for home are Boston ferns, staghorn ferns, rabbit's foot fern, holly fern, maidenhair fern, bird's nest fern, cobra fern, cotton candy fern, asparagus fern, and arrowhead fern. We have mixed the soil, sillet of canal with cow dung, and now I will fill it in the pot to plant the fern plant. The care of fern plant is, though fern have few requirements, and if they are met, your fern will forever be happy. It is said that if maintained well, a fern can live for more than a century. While fern do not like constantly wet soil, never let the plant dry out. Ensure that the soil is moist at all times like a sponge. Ferns also like humidity. These plants will thrive indoors with the right amount of humidity. They are great oxygen saturators. Ferns purify the air. Although ferns get a bad reputation for being finicky, their revolutionary journey suggests that they are survivors so long as their basic needs are met. The pots have been ready, and now we will get the roots or stems or leaves of fern plant to grow these plants. Ferns are generally hassle-free and fast-growing trees. Like any other tropical plant, it grows very fast. If they receive enough light, fern can completely regrow from the stems and leaves. This is a fern plant, as already shown you. We will get its stems with some roots by a tool. Meanwhile, we see its cares. This is its roots, and I will get some roots from here. Place always firm in medium light, like in canopies, in porch, under the trees. The best place for them is in an area with bright indirect light. Morning light works fine, but not afternoon light. Otherwise the soil will dry out. It likes moist at all times. Water thoroughly and avoid overwatering. Ferns also like humidity. If you have a humidifier, keep it near that tool. They can also be hanged in bathrooms. Fertilize your fern during spring season after every 2-3 weeks. These are its roots. You may make as many plants as you like, as these stems are. These are 4, but I will divide into 2 parts and make a hole in the pot and put these ferns in it and press gently with the soil. There are some conditions which you can see and ensure. When the leaves are getting crispy and browns from the center, it is because of overwatering. If only tips are brown, it is usually because of very low humidity. It is normal for the fern to drop leaves occasionally, but if more leaves are suddenly dropping, it is usually indicating underwatering. Yellow leaves shows overwatering, or by using hard cold water or the low humidity. I have put these ferns in the shady area. Always cut the brown leaves to make place for other. Inshallah, we will meet another video. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.